Vinaigrette Dressing. This thing is absolutely delicious, and I love it because it's got that sweet side to it. It's got that maple syrup, a little bit of balsamic, but then it's got that earthy, natural flavor with the herbs and the olive oil. This is something real special. Certainly comes from my heart and my kitchen to yours. What do you say? Let's get cooking. Let's have some fun. First, guys, we're going to take our so-called dry ingredients. We've got 1 clove of garlic, 1 bulb of a shallot. We've got a couple of sprigs of thyme, a sprig of rosemary, and then we're going to use our mortise and pestle. Take 1/3 of a sprig of rosemary. We're going to take 3 or 4 sprigs of thyme. I'm going to set that aside. Now I'm going to grab the 1 shallot of onion here. Just give it a couple slices through. So your shallots you want to make really small. And then with your garlic, give it a little whack here. Same thing here. We're going to give garlic a nice small chop. Oh, I love the smell of garlic. I'm going to bring my mortar and pestle back. I hammer down my herbs here a bit. You're going to get a nice aroma. It just takes about 30 seconds. Add a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of fresh ground pepper. Your salt's going to act like a little bit of an abrasion there to get those herbs down. That was a lot of fun. So this is done. See how that's a nice green paste? It's exactly what I want. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my onions and my garlic. And same thing now. Just start off slow, and you're going to start to mash it. You could put this in a food processor, immersion blender if you want. I kind of like doing it the old school way. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, guys, grab our mixing bowl here. Look at that right there. Is that delicious or what? That is just full of aroma. Delicious flavor. That's your magic right there. Next, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 1/3 of a cup of balsamic vinegar, really good quality, 3/4 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil, really good quality. My secret ingredient, maple syrup. So here I've got 1/3 of a cup of maple syrup. Oh, that is good. I like the darker one. It's got a little bit more flavor. This will stir very well. We're going to take our immersion blender, pop it right in, put it on a really low setting, and give it some power. And you see how it emulsifies right there? Now you're looking for that consistency. See how it's thick, but it's still got a run to it? Oh, that's beautiful. My favorite vinaigrette. That's why I call it Joe's, because I named it after me. I know it's humble. I know it's a humble, humble action. Favorite time, taste time. Now, guys, listen. I'm going to make a salad. It'll be our next video. It's one of my favorite salads. We're going to put this on it, but I want to give it a taste right now, just in its purest sense. So good, so delicious. That is the best vinaigrette you will ever have. It's sweet. It's got that sour from the vinegar, the herbs, the garlic, the shallot gives you that sweetness from the onion. Oh, salt, pepper, olive oil. Listen, we've got a few of these little bottles here, which are just great, and we'll fit all of this in the 2. A couple of weeks in the refrigerator, just perfect. You'll put about 1/2 of one of these jars into the salad, and I'll tell you, it is rock star. It is absolutely delicious. Guys, thanks so much for joining me in my kitchen today. Now remember, hit the subscribe, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, allow us to share recipes with other people. And remember, one of the main reasons we do our videos, once a week, once a month, get around the table with your family and friends, mom, dad, grandparents, tell some stories, make some recipes, burn stuff, who cares? You know what you'll do? Not only will you celebrate your heritage, whatever that might be, but you're going to set traditions of love. They're going to last you a lifetime. I know they did for me. Hey, guys, from my kitchen to yours, until next week, mwah, bon appetit, y'all.